Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review the latest CarPlay media adapter from the famous Carlinkit company. This is a very affordable device and it's called TBox Basic, and you can get this for less than $99. And as the name suggests, it comes with only the basic features like wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, YouTube, Netflix, SD card, and a few other apps. So what you get inside the box is just this TBox Basic adapter and the cable to connect this with the car. That's it. You don't actually need anything else in the box. So now let's connect this adapter with my car to test the performance of this Carlinkit TBox Basic AI box. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I've got the device ready. Now let me connect this device with my car using the same cable that came in the box. Now at the same time, I will also time the startup speed just to see how long does this device take to start and take us to the home page. Alright, so let me connect this device with my car first. Alright, so let's start the timer. Alright, so around 39-40 seconds. Now 39-40 seconds is definitely not the fastest device I've tested, but considering that this is a very basic system device, it doesn't have the fastest CPU or very high RAM. It's a basic device at a very low price point, so I was not expecting a very fast startup speed. So it takes about 40 seconds to start and take us to this home page of the device. Now this is Android 11 home page. Now this is slightly new in terms of the look and feel compared to the other devices I've tested. You see the taskbar is right at the bottom. On the other devices is usually on the left side. So let me first give you a quick tour. Now obviously this is the landing page of the Android system on this device. Right at the bottom you've got the time and date, you've got the media playing here. This is to close apps, this is to close processes, you've got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now one thing to keep in mind is that this device does not have a SIM card slot, so it's a basic device and the only way you can connect to internet is through your mobile's hotspot. So let's first actually do that process. Alright, so let's go to settings and Wi-Fi and then click on Wi-Fi, and my mobile hotspot should have connected already because I tested this device earlier, so it's already connected. If it's not, you just click on that, input the passwords and it gets connected. So very easy process. Again, it doesn't have a SIM card. The only way to connect is Wi-Fi hotspot of your mobile. Now let me give you a quick tour. As I said, this is the taskbar right at the bottom. You've got all the pre-installed apps appearing on the first page, but you can swipe it to left and you can see some more applications that are pre-installed on this device. Now you have the option of installing more apps through the Play Store, but keep in mind that this is a basic device with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal space. Alright, so this is the main home page. Now in order to test this new Carlinkit TBox Basic AI box, I would start testing some of the basic functions and features. So things like the CarPlay and the Android Auto and some of the important or more frequently used applications. Alright, so let's first test YouTube. So as you can see, it takes a little bit longer to load because it's a 2 GB RAM only compared to the other devices I've tested with 4 or 8 GB, which are much faster to load applications. This one is slightly slower. Now what we can do is in fact go and play a video. Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Alright, so YouTube is playing fine. The good thing is that you can actually control the volume through the steering wheel control, and let's bring that down. In fact, I've stopped the video from the steering wheel control, so let's play it. Unlimited number of the latest S4 Pro Superbox. Alright, so the important thing I wanted to check on YouTube is whether the audio and video are in sync. As you can see, it's completely in sync. So that's quite nice and good. We can check out if we can actually change the resolution or increase the resolution on this device. So we can go up to 1080p. You know, I don't recommend 1080p, to be honest. 720p would be good enough for such a small screen.
I explain to you the rules of this giveaway contest. Let me tell you a little bit about this.
All right, let's bring the volume down, and now as you can see, it's much clearer. This is 720p. So YouTube working perfectly fine as expected. Now the only issue with YouTube is that it takes a few seconds more to load the application, but once it's loaded, then it's very easy to just play the videos, and the videos are actually playing quite smoothly. It doesn't stop, doesn't buffer or lag. All right, now let's play Netflix. So Netflix is not very slow compared to YouTube. It loads quite quickly. Alright, so Netflix seems to be working fine. We can skip scenes and it skips instantly. That's another good sign of this device. You can move along. The resolution we're getting is also quite nice, as you can see. But then again, YouTube and Netflix are those two apps that work pretty much okay on most of the devices these days. Alright, so the next one I would like to actually test is play a video file through the SD card. Now this device comes with an SD card slot, and I've inserted my SD memory card onto the device. We can just go and play a video through that. It's quite nice and fast, very, very clear. Now this is a 2K file and plays quite nicely and smoothly. We can increase the volume using the steering wheel control as well. Let's try to skip scenes. Okay, scene skipping is also quite fast. Very, very nice, quite impressive. Alright, now let's connect the wireless Apple CarPlay. So we need to click on AutoKit app, and the next step is actually on the iPhone. Open the Bluetooth section. Look for this new device as TBox Mini Basic. Click on that. Pair the device. Allow it to sync favorites and contacts. Alright, so the process has started. We just need to click on Use CarPlay. Now this is a one-time process. You just need to connect this device with your iPhone once, and then every time you switch on the car, it will connect with your iPhone and take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay, which is this. So it's a very simple one-time setup. So guys, this is the main homepage of Apple CarPlay. Now I will not explain all the functions and features of Apple CarPlay. You can go and watch my other videos about Apple CarPlay and the functionality of Apple CarPlay. The whole idea of showing Apple CarPlay on this in this video is just to test the device, and as you can see, it was quite a simple process, very quick to connect. Again, you can see all the different functions, all the different applications available. You've got navigation as well. You click on this, you get the full view of the navigation. So all the basic functions of Apple CarPlay are available here. Now one thing I wanted to do was actually see if we switch on the car and my mobile is switched on and connected with this device on Bluetooth, does this device take me directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay without me clicking any button? And two, how much time would that take? Right, so let's do that test. So I've got my stopwatch ready. Let me disconnect the device and then connect the device back again. Start the timer. Alright, the startup speed has improved. It's about 37 seconds now. Now this is the real test. Does it take us directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay? Alright, so it's about 1 minute 20 seconds and the device is not taking us to the home page of Apple CarPlay. Now let's try to click the AutoKit app. Now does it take us to Apple CarPlay now? I think it is. Now it's connecting with the mobile. So I guess the point here is that it would connect automatically to your iPhone like this, but you will actually have to go and click on that AutoKit icon. So it will then start establishing the connection between your phone and the device. Alright, so now let's connect wireless Android Auto. Now the process and the steps are exactly same as Apple CarPlay. So we click on the AutoKit, and then on the Android mobile, go to Bluetooth, and then we should be able to see this new device as TBox Mini Basic. There you go, so TBox Mini Basic, click on that, pair the device, allow it to sync the contacts, and as you can see, the connection has started to establish between the phone and the device. And that's it. It's again a very simple process. It takes probably 5 seconds once the device is connected with your phone to take you to the home page of Android Auto. Again, I will not explain the functions and features of Android Auto in this video, but if you want to know more about it, you can go and watch my other videos. So this is the landing page. This is where you see the navigation, the map right in the middle. Then you've got the media on the right side. You've got shortcut apps here. Now this one at the bottom left is actually a full app view. Like this. These are all the applications on Android Auto, and you can install more apps that are compatible with Android Auto. And you can actually go to the settings, change the look and feel, the icon, the wallpaper and all. But you know, very simple process. Looks quite nice. You can click on the navigation to get a full screen view of the map. So Android Auto connected quite quickly compared to the Apple CarPlay. So all good. Now let's come out of it, which is basically clicking on the exit button that takes you back to the home page of the Android system. So this device also has the Bluetooth technology, so you can connect the device with Bluetooth for making calls or even for listening to your music on the mobile. Like this, you've got all these options. You've got the contacts, the favorites, and the music playing there. And then Alright friends, so this was a very quick review of this new TBox basic device from Carlinkit. We've tested some frequently used applications like YouTube, Netflix, and playing videos. Everything worked perfectly fine. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto also working nicely. All in all, it's quite a nice device, especially at this price point. This is less than $99 with all these nice functions and applications. If you guys are interested, if you want to buy this device, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official Carlinkit store, where you can buy this new TBox basic AI box. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video.